Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 5-tool, with 111 PC Master Set DCK551D1M1 and DEWALT 20V earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with, about this item DCD T71 drill driver in the Cordless Drill Combo Kit is compact front to back and lightweight, designed to fit into tight areas. DCD 71 cordless drill driver in the Cordless Tools Combo Kit has a high-performance motor that delivers 300 units watts out UWO of power for completing a wide range of applications. DC885 cordless impact driver. Of the Dril impact driver, Combo Kit has a compact design, 5.5 pitch, front to back, to fit into tight areas. Features some of DEWALT's most popular bits that cover an array of uses. Connectable accessory storage system to optimize storage space. Patented bit bar design allows easy removal of bits and customizable placement. See more product details. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is product information, features and specs, voltage 20 volts, battery type, lithium-ion, warranty and support, Amazon.com. Return policy, Amazon.com. Voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit, 5-tool, with 111 PC Master Set DCK551D1M1 and DEWALT 20V Share? Found a lower price? Let us know. Although we can't match every price reported, we'll use your feedback to ensure that our prices remain competitive. Where did you see a lower price? Fields with an asterisk. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is build quality that lasts. If you've ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. Oh, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below, so you can check if the current discount is still live.